guys, it is Louisa and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing a weekend in my life. I was going to make it a weekend in my life, but I filmed today and I literally did nothing, so I thought I'd just make it a day in my life instead. I hope you don't mind. So it's currently a Saturday and I've just like woken up basically. I'm literally so tired, so literally ignore what I look like. I know I look disgusting, but I've literally just woken up now. But time is currently about 7:20. Yeah, I don't know how much I'll vlog at school because I'm not really allowed my phone at school, so we'll see how that goes. But without further ado, let's get on with the video. So I've just got changed into my school uniform. Obviously I'm not wearing my blazer or my jumper yet because I don't know, and they've got my school logo on, so I'm not going to show them. I'm now going to have my breakfast and go downstairs, and then I'll come back up, brush my teeth and get ready for the day. So for my breakfast I'm going to have some Special K with raisins, orange juice and some grapes, and I'm obviously going to have some milk on it, so I'm going to eat this now. Okay, so I'm not going to do my makeup. Excuse the angle. I'm in a rush. I've got 10 minutes actually until I need to go to school. I haven't done my makeup. It normally takes me like 20 minutes. So, like, yeah, just ignore like the unmade bed. I actually literally have no time to spare. So I'm literally like gonna have to rush my makeup. And I'm actually not going home after school because I think we're going straight to Hull Fair. So the biggest travelling fair in Europe. It's like massive and it's here for like a week or something, and today's the last day that it's on, so we're going to that, which I'm really excited for with my friend. I'm actually not going to film my makeup because I need to do it really quickly, and like, yeah, you're going to see me in a rush, so I'm going to go. Bye. So I'm just covering up my school logo, but I've just got ready and I'm now going to leave the house, and the time's currently 5 minutes to 8. Just in the car on the way to school, so I'll see you guys when I'm at school. So I've just arrived at school, so I'm going to sit on the chair. And today I have a maths test, so that's great. Okay, so I'm with Emily.
I'm Emily. Henry's throwing sponges at me.
Guys, sorry about that, Henry was throwing sponges at us. So we're just in drama. I do GCSE drama, and we're doing like our plays at the moment. So for ours we've got this like scaffolding, yeah, and we're pretending that we're in like the dark. I don't know if you can see Lucy's up there, and then the ground is there. So yeah, it's a bit health and safety cautious, but oh yeah. Wait, how do you get from that bit up there?
There's a ladder. See that?
This is so scary.
The star character, his name's Floral. Louis.
Yeah, and Abby there.
Hi.
She like sits up there, and then we're like under there as it's like a shelter, and then we've got torches. So the time is currently about 11:30, and I'm just like on my way to history. Well, I'm in the toilet, but yeah. I got toilets there because there's like people walking past. But today's not been too bad. I had a maths test though, which went alright. But yeah, I want to go to history now, so I'll see you guys later. Just finished hockey. We had house hockey, and who won?
I don't know.
We
didn't get told.
Pardon?
We didn't get told.
But yeah, we didn't get told who won, like which house. We're going back to mine, and then we're going to Hull Fair, so I'll probably vlog that. So I'll probably film when I get back home. So I'm with Georgia and Tatum.
I'm a really big fan. I really look up to you.
Subscribe.
Please like and subscribe. She really deserves it. She's a really lovely woman.
Thank you.
Girl. You know what I mean.
So I'm back home now and I'm with Evie. Hello. And we're gonna go to Hull Fair now, so I'll probably like film some clips like on the ride and stuff. Wearing this hoodie from H&M and then just some blue Topshop jeans, so yeah. So we're on the bus now. The sun is and everything. There we go.
bride, which I probably did a clip of, but yeah. So we're just in the car now on the way to McDonald's. I don't think you can actually see me, but it's really dark.
Hey guys, so I'm back from Hull Fair now and Evie's actually gone home and I'm just filling myself a bath, so I need to make sure I don't forget to turn the tap off because I probably will. But anyway, yeah, Hull Fair was honestly amazing. It's literally so much fun, and yeah, I really recommend Hull Fair for next year because it's like today was the last day. So yeah, I really recommend if you live like in Yorkshire, definitely go to Hull Fair next year because it is really fun, and especially if you like rides, it's got so many rides. Actually, every single step you take, you'll see a new ride. Like, it's literally amazing. I cannot wait to have a bath, get nice and relaxed, and so tired because I've been out all day. I've been at school and then I've been out all evening, so yeah, I'm so tired. So I'm gonna see you guys after my bath. So I just got out of the bath and I got myself some melon because I've been quite unhealthy today. I'm gonna eat this now because I love fruit. So Hey guys, so I've just gone live on TikTok, so I'm just gonna vlog the comments. So wait, let it focus. Everyone comment hey. Lucy, Georgie, Jack, Alice, Megan like shouted me out, so thanks Megan. Go follow everyone if you have Musical.ly. Go follow Eve. Guys, the time is currently, oh, it's 11:10. I didn't realise it was that late. But basically, since I last vlogged, I've literally watched YouTube, we've gone on TikTok, Musical.ly, Snapchat, just all that social media stuff. So I haven't actually needed to vlog anything, but I'm going to vlog tomorrow. I don't think I'm actually doing anything tomorrow just because I've been super busy today. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed the vlog so far and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye! But I didn't actually vlog Sunday, so I'm going to end the video here. I really hope you enjoyed it. Give it a massive thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I'll see you guys next week for a new video. Bye!